Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and I have found the solution to your overstocked pantry. This over-the-door organizer from Mefirt is a great solution that doesn't take up any more prime real estate, and it can hold a lot too. I'm able to fit 9 13.5 ounce cans on each basket, 4 in the front, 5 in the back. So you're gonna be able to store a lot of things on this organizer. To assemble it, all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. It comes with everything else that you need, and it didn't take any time at all. I love that the baskets are customizable. You can use all of them or a combination of them depending on your needs. And it comes with 2 support bars. That way 2 of the baskets are able to hold taller items without them falling out. Once it's mounted and stocked, it's not banging against the door, and I haven't even added the adhesive to it yet, but I can open and close this door without the organizer banging against it. So if you're looking to organize your pantry or even add more to it, this over-the-door organizer from Mefirt is going to keep things looking nice. And that's my point of view.